What if your next laptop could replace your gaming PC, creative workstation, and everyday computer all at once? In this video, we're counting down the top 5 laptops you'll want in 2026, from ultra-powerful gaming machines to premium productivity champions. Stay until number 1 because it might be the perfect laptop for you. Number 5. Lenovo Legion Pro 7i. The Lenovo Legion Pro 7i is one of the most powerful and feature-packed gaming laptops available in 2026. Designed for gamers, content creators, and professionals who demand top-tier performance. Combining premium build quality with cutting-edge hardware, the Legion Pro 7i delivers exceptional speed, stunning visuals, and reliable cooling for even the most demanding workloads. At the heart of the laptop are the latest high-performance processors and advanced NVIDIA GeForce RTX graphics, enabling smooth gameplay at ultra settings, fast rendering times, and excellent multitasking capabilities. Whether you're playing competitive sports titles, exploring massive open-world games, editing 4,000 videos, or working with AI-powered applications, the Legion Pro 7 is built to handle it all with ease. One of its standout features is the high refresh rate display, which offers sharp image quality, vibrant colors, and fluid motion. This makes gaming more immersive while also providing creators with accurate visuals for editing and design work. The display is complemented by slim bezels, giving the laptop a modern and premium appearance. Lenovo's advanced Legion cold front cooling technology helps maintain peak performance during long gaming sessions by efficiently managing heat and reducing thermal throttling. This ensures consistent frame rates and system stability even under heavy loads. The laptop also includes a comfortable RGB backlit keyboard, fast memory and storage options, multiple connectivity ports, and strong wireless performance. These features make it a versatile machine suitable for both gaming and productivity. Overall, the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i stands out as a flagship gaming laptop that successfully combines power, display quality, cooling efficiency, and premium design. For users seeking a high-end portable gaming and content creation machine in 2026, it remains one of the best choices on the market. Number 4. Lenovo Yoga Pro 9i. The Lenovo Yoga Pro 9i is one of the most impressive premium creator laptops of 2026. Combining powerful performance, elegant design, and a stunning display into a versatile package. Built for content creators, professionals, students, and power users, the Yoga Pro 9i delivers desktop-class capabilities in a sleek and portable form factor, powered by the latest high-performance processors and advanced NVIDIA graphics options. The Yoga Pro 9i handles demanding tasks with ease. Whether you're editing high-resolution photos, rendering videos, designing 3D models, programming complex projects, or managing multiple applications simultaneously, this laptop provides smooth and responsive performance. Its intelligent optimization features automatically balance power and efficiency based on your workload. A major highlight of the Yoga Pro 9i is its exceptional display. The high-resolution panel delivers vibrant colors, deep contrast, excellent brightness, and impressive color accuracy, making it ideal for creative professionals. Whether you're editing content, watching movies, or working on detailed visual projects, the display offers an immersive and visually stunning experience. The laptop's premium aluminum chassis gives it a sophisticated appearance while maintaining durability for everyday use. Despite its powerful hardware, the Yoga Pro 9i remains relatively portable, making it a practical option for professionals who frequently work on the go. Lenovo has also equipped the device with an advanced cooling system that helps maintain stable performance during demanding workloads. Combined with fast SSD storage, ample memory configurations, and long battery life, users can enjoy reliable productivity throughout the day. Additional features such as a comfortable backlit keyboard, high-quality speakers, advanced webcam technology, and multiple connectivity options further enhance the overall experience. Overall, the Lenovo Yoga Pro 9i stands out as one of the best premium creator laptops of 2026, offering an excellent balance of performance, display quality, portability, and professional-grade features for a wide range of users. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy Book5 Pro 360. The Samsung Galaxy Book5 Pro 360 is one of the most versatile and premium 2-in-1 laptops available in 2026. offering an impressive combination of portability, performance, and flexibility. Designed for professionals, students, creators, and business users, this laptop seamlessly transforms between a traditional notebook and a tablet, making it ideal for productivity and entertainment alike. At the core of the Galaxy Book5 Pro 360 is the latest generation of high-efficiency processors, delivering fast and responsive performance for everyday computing, multitasking, content creation, and business applications. Whether you're working on presentations, attending virtual meetings, editing photos, or streaming media, the laptop provides a smooth and reliable experience. One of its standout features is the stunning AMOLED touchscreen display. The screen delivers vibrant colors, deep blacks, excellent contrast, and sharp detail, creating an immersive viewing experience for both work and entertainment. The 360-degree hinge allows users to switch effortlessly between laptop, tent, stand, and tablet modes, providing flexibility for different tasks and environments. The included S Pen support enhances creativity and productivity by enabling precise note-taking, sketching, drawing, and document annotation. This makes the Galaxy Book5 Pro 360 particularly appealing to students, designers, and professionals who value a natural writing experience. Samsung's sleek aluminum design keeps the laptop lightweight and highly portable while maintaining a premium feel. Long battery life and fast charging capabilities help users stay productive throughout the day without constantly searching for a power outlet. The laptop also integrates seamlessly with the Samsung ecosystem, allowing smooth connectivity between compatible smartphones, tablets, and other devices. Features such as file sharing, device synchronization, and cross-device productivity enhance the overall user experience. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy Book5 Pro 360 stands out as one of the best premium convertible laptops of 2026, delivering excellent display quality, flexibility, portability, and everyday performance in a beautifully designed package. Number 2. Razer Blade 14. The Razer Blade 14 is one of the most powerful and stylish compact gaming laptops available in 2026. Offering desktop-level performance in a sleek and highly portable design. Built for gamers, content creators, and professionals who need premium performance without carrying a bulky machine, the Blade 14 continues to be one of the most desirable gaming laptops on the market. At its core, the Razer Blade 14 features the latest high-performance processors and advanced NVIDIA GeForce RTX graphics, providing exceptional gaming performance and creative power. Whether you're playing competitive sports titles, exploring graphically demanding AAA games, editing high-resolution videos, or working with 3D applications, the laptop delivers smooth and responsive performance across a wide range of tasks. One of the standout features of the Blade 14 is its premium CNC milled aluminum chassis. The laptop feels incredibly solid and durable while maintaining a clean, minimalist aesthetic that looks professional in both gaming and workplace environments. Despite its compact 14-inch form factor, it packs impressive hardware without sacrificing portability. The high-resolution, high-refresh rate display offers vibrant colors, excellent brightness, and fluid motion, creating an immersive gaming and multimedia experience. Fast refresh rates help deliver smoother gameplay, while accurate color reproduction benefits creators and designers. Razer's advanced cooling system efficiently manages heat during intense workloads, helping maintain stable performance during extended gaming sessions. Combined with fast SSD storage and high-speed memory, users can expect quick load times and responsive multitasking. Additional features include a customizable RGB keyboard, premium audio system, advanced connectivity options, and strong wireless performance. These enhancements contribute to a polished user experience suitable for both gaming and productivity. Overall, the Razer Blade 14 stands out as one of the best compact gaming laptops of 2026, successfully combining power, portability, premium craftsmanship, and cutting-edge technology into an exceptionally refined package. Number 1. ASUS ROG Zephyrus G14. The ASUS ROG Zephyrus G14 remains one of the most impressive gaming laptops of 2026, offering an exceptional balance of power, portability, and premium design. Designed for gamers, creators, and professionals who need high-end performance in a compact package, The G14 continues to set the standard for 14-inch gaming laptops, powered by the latest generation processors and advanced NVIDIA GeForce RTX graphics. The Zephyrus G14 delivers outstanding performance across a wide range of applications. From competitive sports gaming and demanding AAA titles to video editing, 3D rendering, and content creation, the laptop handles intensive workloads with remarkable efficiency and speed. One of the standout features of the G14 is its stunning display. With high refresh rates, excellent color accuracy, and sharp resolution, users can enjoy smooth gameplay and vibrant visuals. Whether you're gaming, streaming content, or working on creative projects, the display provides an immersive and visually rich experience. The laptop's premium aluminum chassis combines durability with portability. Despite its powerful hardware, the Zephyrus G14 remains lightweight and easy to carry, making it ideal for students, travelers, and professionals who frequently work on the move. Its sleek design also gives it a modern and sophisticated appearance that fits equally well in gaming setups and professional environments. ASUS has equipped the G14 with an advanced cooling system that efficiently manages heat during demanding tasks. This helps maintain stable performance and quieter operation during long gaming sessions and heavy workloads. Additional features include a comfortable keyboard, fast SSD storage, high-speed memory, excellent battery life, and advanced connectivity options. These features contribute to a well-rounded user experience suitable for both productivity and entertainment. Overall, the ASUS ROG Zephyrus G14 stands out as one of the best gaming laptops of 2026, delivering exceptional performance, portability, display quality, and versatility in a compact and premium package.